What if your beauty routine could empower your individuality and self-expression? This is the story of Lilac St. Founded by Alicia Zeng, Lilac St emerged from frustration over low-quality eyelash products available in the market. Their mission is powerful, encouraging everyone to celebrate their unique selves and embrace their individual differences. Lilac St stands out with vegan, cruelty-free DIY lash extensions made from premium Korean silk PBT that's simply captivating. With tempting accessories like lash glue, mirrors, and a subscription box, convenience has never looked so good. Inclusivity and quality form the foundation of Lilac St's success, resonating with customers who seek affordability and engagement. However, challenges loom. Refining retention and boosting customer acquisition remain critical to scaling their brand. Like many brands, they seek innovative solutions to pivot from ad reliance to organic growth and customer loyalty. By partnering with Stamped, Lilac St capitalized on natural customer enthusiasm, turning fans into a powerful marketing force. Since then, they've gained over 10,000 reviews and seen a staggering 37% increase in average order value from referrals.